Hello, all. Let's continue the previous topic basic terms to define biosensors' performance. We are going to start with accuracy and precision here. Accuracy and precision. Accuracy tells us how close a measured value is to the true or accepted value, and precision refers to the reproducibility of measurements, how close multiple measurements of the same sample are to each other, even if they are not close to the true value. For example, just imagine you have a glucose biosensor and you have applied glucose of 100 mg per deciliter concentration. This biosensor shows you four different values. And you applied the same concentration of 100 mg per deciliter four times. It showed you 100 mg per deciliter, 99.9 mg per deciliter, 99.8 mg per deciliter, and 100.1 mg deciliter. So these values are very close to the actual or the true value, and along with that they are repeatable also. So that means this biosensor is accurate and precise. Now the second case is when you have a glucose biosensor and you apply 100 mg deciliter and you get these four values: 80 mg per deciliter, 81 mg per deciliter, 79 mg per deciliter, 79.5 mg per deciliter. Now these values are not close to the true value. So they are not accurate, but they are precise because they are repeatable. In the third type of glucose biosensor, when you are applying 100 mg per deciliter four different times and you are getting these four values, which are close to the true value, but they are not at all repeatable. Now this time, this biosensor is accurate but not precise. In the fourth case, when you apply 100 mg per deciliter glucose to the glucose biosensor and you get these four values. These four values are not at all near to the true value, and along with this, they are not at all repeatable. In this case, we can say that this biosensor is neither accurate nor precise. Then we have dynamic range. The dynamic range is the range between the minimum and maximum output signal. This range defines the minimum concentration that can be quantified using the biosensor and the maximum saturated signal which is achieved by the biosensor. In this calibration curve between concentration and output signal, the dynamic range is between the LOQ and the saturated signal achieved by the biosensor. Linear range. Linear range is the range in which the biosensor's response is directly proportional to the analyte concentration. This is the ideal operating range for accurate and reliable measurements. If you double the analyte concentration within this range, you should see doubling of the signal. This proportionality is vital for accurate quantification. If we see in this graph, the linear range lies between LOQ and LOL. So this is the range which can assure you accurate and reliable measurements. We just discussed LOL. What is LOL? LOL is the upper limit of the linear range beyond which the response becomes nonlinear. Then we have sensitivity. The sensitivity of a biosensor refers to its ability to detect small changes in the concentration of an analyte and produce a detectable signal. Sensitivity describes how well a biosensor can detect small changes in the analyte concentration, A highly sensitive biosensor will produce a significant change in signal even for a tiny change in concentration of the analyte. Sensitivity is calculated by dividing change in output signal by change in the concentration of the analyte. If this difference, change in output signal, is bigger for a very tiny change in the concentration of the analyte, then the biosensor is called highly sensitive. On the other hand, a less sensitive biosensor might require a large concentration of analyte to produce a measurable response.
To discuss remaining basic terms for defining biosensors' performance, let's meet in the next lecture.